Gordon, we found a creepy hallway to show off something crazy.
And we had to do it because it's still a secret at the time we're doing this, but check this out. EVGA, known for its video cards, NVIDIA GeForce video cards, also motherboards and coolers, power supplies. This was unexpected. I thought I was going to go there today, and I thought we were going to see another video card, right?
Yeah, right.
RTX
well,
card,
which
but
we
no.
did, but you know.
Bam!
What? An audio card?
A sound card.
What?
The EVGA new
audio. Wow. Yeah, this was very unexpected, but guess what? We love audio, so.
Lifelike Gaming is their tagline they're using. Lifelike Gaming.
Huh. Okay. Yeah. Why not?
And there's no corners cut on the sound card, but they cut it off the box. So we're gonna unbox this. Some of the specs: it records 32-bit, 384, 24-bit, 192, ACAM 4493 Premium DAX, AK5572 ADC DAX. Actually, the other one's AK443. But let's check this out. The card
and
is really overbuilt. They're basically saying that, you know what, we think audio's a place of growth. We think there's a lot of passion among audiophiles on the PC.
Which, hey, we're two of them right
We're
here.
two of them. I do like sound. But we are going to talk about some of the decisions they made on this card. Get that off there. We're not going to look the rest. The rest is probably, what else do you get?
Yeah, pretty basic.
Let's see what else you get.
Yeah.
Is there anything
Doesn't
else?
look like anything.
Okay, card itself. What do you get? Okay, a 1/4 inch jack converter,
Cool.
6.3 millimeters.
Not bad.
Never knew that's what it was. And a RCA to 3.5 because you look at the back of the card, you're getting RCAs. That's a 6.33, which I don't understand what that is. In America, it's a 1/4 inch jack. You're getting a line in, 3.5 millimeter, a mic in, and then of course Toslink audio.
Nice. Let me see the front of it, the top of it.
Oh yeah, let's take a look at that again.
Yeah.
Where we are going to remove this.
And guess what? It's got RGB.
It's got RGB on top. I can't light it up
on
now.
the side, yeah.
Well, the side, yeah.
Side,
Well,
whatever.
that's the top of the card.
What? You'd call that the top?
Yeah, because that's the side that faces you. All right.
That's the side.
We do have, and of course, this is something I don't recommend. You're going to buy this super high-end audiophile grade card, and then you're going to plug it into the front audio port on your PC. Don't do it, folks. Don't do it. In fact, I'm going to bend the pins off of it just so you can't do it. Kidding, not going to do it. These are RGB LEDs. Look at the back, of course.
And what was the name of the company they partnered with for the sound?
So it's Xcore, and let's see if I can. I'm going to see if I can get in here. I don't know if we can.
We
Somehow Adam snuck his Leatherman through TSA.
We saw a nice photo of the inside.
Should I just? I could show it off. I'm going to just see if I can get a screw off.
Yeah, let's see if we can do it.
Dang, the head is too big.
Oh, just a little too big. Dang it! I didn't bring my bits. I'm sorry.
Yeah, he doesn't have his bits, so we're stuck.
Yeah.
I do have a printout. Yeah, somewhere. Where's the printout?
So you got a printout which shows the inside of it.
Got the printout. We're looking at the inside of the EVGA new audio. I believe that's how you would pronounce it. It is PCIe. It's a single Gen 2 by 1. As you can see, you get your shielding. They talk about all of the ports. And we're going to hold it like this so it matches the card. Hopefully I didn't crinkle it too much.
We got a XMOS CPU.
Yeah, XMOS X-Core 200 multi-core MCU. And
MCU.
I'm going to be honest, I've not heard of this part. I haven't paid that close of attention, frankly, but I believe this is something EVGA said is normally used in external, very high-end USB audio DACs. They're going to put this down in the sound card, and they, of course, pack this card with the, part of the magic of good audio is having really clean power, so that they have copper shielding. They've got extremely high-end resistors. You've got your premium AKM DAX there.
Nice.
Let's,
And the name of the company's on the card. What's
Oh, it's engineered by Audio Note.
Audio Note, that's what it is.
Audio Note it's a UK company. They actually had some of their very high-end Audio Note speakers hooked up to this thing. Sounded phenomenal, even though it was a subpar room. Sounded really damn good. But look, so you have they say it's TI ultra low noise power regulation. Again, part of getting clean audio is just really keeping tight control over the audio or the power, keeping that noise out of there. They have, I'm going to give you the model numbers because audiophiles will care. ADI AD8056A, there's a fold there. ADT OP275s premium op amps, that's probably the important thing. And of course, I think there is a replaceable op amp so you can tune the audio if you want.
Well, but Gordon, why is EVGA getting into sound cards right now?
So EVGA is getting in because they think, you know what, gamers are into audio. There's really a subclass of gamers that are really into listening to extremely high quality audio samples on their PC. This
like
plays me and you, although this is actually, I gotta say, I'm pretty much a piker compared to some of the folks. This will play DSD files, which they say no other sound card aimed at consumers can do, and it really is just tuned to just deliver the best audio for a stereo environment.
Oh, stereo.
So that is gonna,
stereo.
I think that is gonna be the one thing that people are gonna really have to make a choice, because clearly when you're looking at PC audio, PC gaming audio, a lot of that intellectual property, a lot of that magic belongs to Creative, because they have the leftovers from Ariel. They've got a ton of their own patents. You have C Media, and then for all the 3D stuff, there's really not that much else left in the world. If you really want that sort of HRTF filtered audio to make you believe a sound is over here or over here, it may be better on another sound card. And I can't say until I've listened to it, but EVGA says, like, you know what, actually, if you're listening to stereo, if the sound is good, it's going to sound better on this card than competing sound cards, because it's just simply going to sound better. It doesn't matter about all the, they easily, no surprise, dismissed all of the HRTFs and magic that other people do to make PC gaming audio better or more positional. And they say stereo is fine if you give you excellent stereo output, which they claim this card is unbeatable for its price.
Nice. All right. Well, and they were also comparing it to, of course, the Creative, but also Asus, right?
Yes.
Asus launched a card.
Asus actually does have a line of sound cards. I don't think they have seen too much service lately. Then there's also Creative. There's not too many other players on the list. Of course, we saw that new Creative AE9 card. Could be a player. This card, though, I'm surprised. It sounds, for the hardware you're getting, for the attention, quality to parts they paid to it. They're saying $250. We don't know if this is a marketing claim, but EVGA says this card would cost, what, 5 times? I forget.
Yeah,
it's
something like that.
Whatever. It's like whatever you get told. It would have cost more if it were sold purely as an audio grade card. This is almost reasonably priced, I guess.
All right. Well, yeah, we'll have to test it out. Obviously, we left with one in hand. So
We left with one in hand.
yeah, we'll have to go home and check it out.
Yeah, I don't think we can immediately run results, but I'm very interested. It sounded fantastic. But much of that is in the source. What you're playing there, playing very high quality DSD files. They weren't, some of the magic that you get from other brands is to take really low quality YouTube streams, MP3 files, which is what a lot of people listen to, and make them sound better because they know you're not downloading, DSD files or FLAC files and listening to those. So
Sure.
we're going to find out. We're going to put this thing through its paces and see what we like better.